Hey everyone, I'm back with another incredible product that will take your troubles away. Well, at least the technical ones. The CA-CVFHD lets you connect to any VGA monitor with its swift USB-C to Full HD VGA adapter. With its Thunderbolt 3 compatibility, you can enjoy a smooth video transition between the connectors uninterrupted. And let me tell you a little bit more about this device's USB technology. The technology embedded in the CA-CVFHD supports a display port via alt mode. That means that you can enjoy a higher resolution, vibrant colors, 3D, and more depth. Whether you use this connector in extended mode or mirror mode, the resolution will remain exquisite. You can enjoy a resolution of up to 2048 by 1152 with high quality pictures and transitions. It's also compatible with multiple resolutions like the ones you see on your screen right now. And how can we forget the added plug and play technology that lets you skip all the lengthy installation processes? Apart from this, it's also USB bus powered with a sleek design, amplified durability, and a braided cable. So don't wait anymore. Go ahead and get your hands on this efficient device right now. Order your CA-CVFHD today. I'll be back soon with another incredible device. Until then, bye!